In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and claim rewards. If you're staking on Coinbase and want to understand where your rewards show up and how they're credited, this walkthrough will make everything clear and simple. Start by signing into your Coinbase account, either on the web or in the mobile app. Use your usual secure login method, then once you're in, head straight to the My Assets tab. This is your portfolio overview, and it's the quickest way to see everything you hold in one place. Next, choose the specific asset you're staking, such as ETH, SOL, or ADA. Opening that assets page will take you to its detailed view. Here, look for your staking section. You'll see today's returns, which shows the rewards you've accrued for the current day, and all-time returns, which displays the total rewards you've earned since you started staking that asset. Think of today's returns as your daily snapshot, and all-time returns as your long-term running total. Around the middle of your session, if you need the app or prefer using a browser, you'll find the official website link and the mobile app download links right at the top of the description. Use those links to make sure you're on the legitimate site or app. For most supported assets, there's no separate claim button. Rewards are automatically added to your staked balance, typically on a regular schedule determined by the network. This means your rewards can start compounding as they're credited, and you'll see each credit reflected in the numbers on your asset page. A few important details to keep in mind. Coinbase takes a commission on all staking rewards you receive. The yield you see already factors in that commission, so what's displayed reflects your net rate. Every reward also appears as a line item in your transaction history. If you want to verify individual credits, open the Assets Activity or Transactions view and scroll through to see each reward entry with its timestamp and amount. Remember that staking rewards are generally taxable as income when you receive them. Always keep accurate records and consider speaking with a qualified tax professional to understand how this applies in your situation. And finally, rewards are not guaranteed. Rates can change over time based on network conditions, so your yield may fluctuate. That's it. Sign in, go to My Assets, pick the staked coin, and review today's returns and all-time returns. For most assets, your rewards are automatically credited to your staked balance. Thanks for watching.